Okay, lot number T1019. I've got a good one here for you. Right there. Government surplus 2013 Toyota Tacoma. I think they call them an access cab, so it's an extra cab, 4-door. So it's got the half cab on it. Pretty straight looking vehicle. Of course, I've got it running right now because I figured it's easier to do this. Put the hood up and have it running before I start. I'll let you listen to the motor. So I think it is a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder automatic. I'm just going to put the hood down just a sec, so it might be a little bumpy here for you. So there you go. This is a government surplus vehicle. It is selling on Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024 from All City Auctioneers here in Langley, British Columbia. This is a local government vehicle surplus from one of the municipalities here in the Metro Vancouver area. So yeah, Toyota Tacoma. Probably a very basic model, but to me it's fairly well equipped because, you know, most of the cars we get from the government don't even have power windows. This has power windows. This has some sort of a rail locking system here on the box. It's got a couple of storage compartments here in the back box there. Tires, let me see, Dunlops. They're probably in decent condition, a couple years left maybe, depending on how much you drive, of course. So I'll pop the doors open here, passenger side. Pretty clean and straight inside. I got to reach all the way inside. I'm used to my Ford pickup truck where the handle is actually right outside exposed. So there you go. Front bucket seats, airbags, stuff like that. Not a lot of staining and dirt. Carpet's dirty. It needs to be, you know, probably a good professional clean. Just got to turn the radio off there. You know, so there's little dirt spots, but I didn't see a lot of staining. I mean, there is some wear and tear, some visible stain, maybe some small spots on the seats, kind of right down in there. Back seats, there's one big scratch right here, but I tell you, they don't even look like they've been sat in. The vehicle arrived with the seats up, you know, like that, and then these ones here, of course, folded down. That's how it arrived, both sides, so I don't think they've ever been sat in. The mats in the back don't seem to have any dirt in them at all. Jack and whatnot, storage under there. Seatbelt holders are you know, put away probably from factory. Power windows, power locks. Now I'll wander over to the other side. And so we've driven this one around our yard. Of course, if you know, they all got moved to our location here in Langley by tow truck. And so we drive them around our yard just to kind of see how they move and operate. This one here fires right up, starts, drives, goes forward, goes backward. You know, we don't really test all of the options, but seems to be a pretty good. Door handle here is a little bit dirty. Reach inside again. Again, there's this seat. Doesn't look like it's been sat in at all. And again, the mat is completely clean. Lots of little dirt speckles and whatnot here on the driver's side. A little bit of wear right here in the center. But now I'll climb inside. Oh, I guess I gotta close this door. Gotta close that door. Okay. A little confusing there, spinning you around. Hope you don't get sick. And here it is. So this is a 2013 and it has 52,224 kilometers. Just gonna shut it off for you. I let it sit for a couple seconds so that you can see it start and watch all the warning lights, stuff like that. I'll show you the, you know, it's got some sort of an audio center here with a touch screen. I, you know, was just going through making sure all the employee data was removed. Air conditioning, you know, we don't get a lot of vehicles here from government that have air conditioning unless, of course, they're newer, like this one. You know, it's got a few options up top here, but this could be a basic model for Toyota. I really don't know because, you know what, I'm not a Toyota driver. I drive a Ford, and but I don't even drive a new Ford. This is my whatever. I don't have new vehicles. How's that? So here you can see all the warning lights come on, and they all go off. There you go. So like I said, it is right up to temperature though. I see that, so, you know, because I have had it idling before we shot the video. I did turn the air conditioning thing on. I don't know where the control is. There we go there. Let me see. Oh, maybe I need to turn the temperature colder. Yeah, it looks, oof. Oh yeah, that's cold. There you go, that's cold. So yeah, so you know, we don't even normally test that, but you know, maybe a newer vehicle, I should probably do that test here. So yeah, so this is selling on Wednesday, April the 10th, 2024, from All City Auctioneers here in Langley. We use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. I didn't even really talk about the outside of the vehicle much, but you know, there's really not much to say. Oh, there's a little dent there on the tailgate. Maybe a couple of scratches there. I don't see anything really on this side yet. Nothing up here. Oh, there's some few scratches right across here, just above on the fender well. Oh, and there's this big hole in the front bumper right here. Looks like they had maybe a cone rack or something like that mounted there. And again, nothing down this side, so nice and clean, good and straight looking. A couple of small little speckles right here, little dents right along in there. So so yes, highest bid wins. This is selling. If you're the high bidder, you are the winner. So I hope you get another buy auction. It's All City Auctioneers here in Langley, British Columbia, using the website bcsurplus.com.